हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू आर गुड। सो आज का हमारा वीडियो वी विल बी डूइंग एसएटी पेपर नंबर 4 एंड वी विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद सेक्शन 3 and question number 11 to 20, right? So let us start. Hello dear friends, so let us start further. So from question number 11, this is your SAT test paper number 4, college board, and we are into question number 11 now. In last video we completed till question number 10. So this question says if x equals to 2y plus 5 and y is equals to 2x minus 3 times x plus 9, how many ordered pairs of the system of the equation satisfy the system of the equation shown above? So here, if I observe carefully, in place of y, I can just extract a value from here. What is y over here? Y is given as x minus 5 over 2. So in place of this y, I put x minus 5 over 2 equals 2x minus 3 times x plus 9. So simplifying further, x minus 5 over 2 equals to 2x square plus 18x minus 3x minus 27. So this is 2x square plus 15x minus 27, and this is x minus 5 by 2. Then multiplying by 2 on both sides, we get x minus 5 equals to 4x square plus 30x and minus 54. Then subtracting x from both sides and adding 5 to both sides, we get 4x square plus 29x and then minus 49 is equal to 0. Now see, what we need to do here is we can simply find what is d, that is discriminant b square minus 4ac. If it is come out to be greater than 0, it means we have two solutions. If it comes out to be equal to 0, we have only one solution. And then if we have less than 0, d becomes negative, comes negative, then we have no solution. So just write 29 square and then minus 4 times of minus 49. So this gives you something as 841, and plus this is minus plus 16 times 49. So anyways, we observe that d is greater than 0. So when d is greater than 0, we have two solutions, right? This was a very, very good question. Let us go to question number 12. Ken and Paul each ordered a sandwich at a restaurant. The price of Ken's sandwich was X dollars and the price of Paul's sandwich was $1 more than the price of Ken's sandwich. So Ken's sandwich was X dollars and Paul's sandwich was $1 more than X. If Ken and Paul split the cost of the sandwich evenly and each paid 20% tip, so both of them, the total is 2x plus 1, and then we multiply it by 1.2 because we are giving a tip of 20%. 20% increase means it becomes 120%, which is 1.2. Which of the following is each of them paid? Then divide this by 2 because we have to find the cost of each. So 0.6 times 2x plus 1, so that accounts to 1.2x plus 0.6. So 1.2x plus 0.6 is option number C. So going to question number 13, there are two graphs f and g, which are, one is upside down and other one is facing upwards, which is the f graph, which is 8x square minus 2, another is minus 8x square plus 2. The graph intersects at k0 and minus k0. What's the value of k? So just equate the two graphs. 8x square minus 2 equals minus 8x square plus 2. So here we get 8x square plus 8x square equals to 2 plus 2, that is 16x square is equals to 4. So x square comes out to be 4 divided by 16, that is 1 over 4. It means x is equals to 1 over 2. It means, or minus 1 over 2. It means that k is either 1 by 2 comma 0 or minus 1 by 2 comma 0. So he's asking what is the value of k. So k is equals to 1 over 2. Good, great going. Then we have question number 14 here. 8 minus I over 3 minus 2i, and I is an imaginary number. it can be rewritten in the form of a plus bi. See how we write it in the form of a plus bi. What we need to do is we simply rationalize it by multiplying by 3 plus 2i, that is by the conjugate of this 3 plus 2i. Let me rewrite it. 3 plus 2i divided by 3 plus 2i. So in the numerator it becomes 24 plus 16i minus 3i and minus 2i square, and the denominator becomes 3 square minus 2i whole square. So that becomes 24 plus 13i and plus 2, and this is 9 minus 4i square. So this is 9 plus 4, which is 13, and this is basically 24 plus 2, 26 plus 13i. So 26 over 13 is 2 and 13 over 13 is I, which is equals to a plus bi. It means a is equals to 2 and b is equals to 1, but we are interested only in finding the value of a, so option number A is the right choice. Let us go to question number 15. In the quadratic equation above, k and p are constants. What are the solutions of x? K and p are constants. So here what we do, we simply multiply both equations by 2. We get 2x square minus kx equals to 4p. Then it implies 2x square minus kx and minus 4p equals to 0. It implies x is equal to minus b. So it becomes minus of minus k plus minus root b square minus 4ac. B square means k square, and 4 times 2 times 4, 4 2 is the 8, 8 4 the 32. So plus 32b over 2a, that is 4. So answer for x should be k plus minus root of k square plus 32b and whole upon 4. So we can split up this 4 also. So the answer is B. See, here we have just applied the formula, the quadratic formula. I'm just writing it in blue. The quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac whole over 2a. Just observe, dear friends, just observe this, that we have used the quadratic formula to simplify any quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c. So first of all, I just converted the whole equation into this form. Then this is a, b is minus k, and c is minus 4b. Then I applied the quadratic formula, got this answer. Next one is, we are going to question number 16. Now the question number 16 is that Jim has a triangular shelf system that attaches to its shower head. The total height of the system is 18 inches. The total height of the system is 18 inches. This is 18 inches. And there are 3 parallel shelves as shown above. What is the maximum height in the inches of the shampoo bottle that can stand upright on the middle shelf? So here what we are doing, that Jim has a triangular shelf system that attaches to his shower head. The total height of the system is 18 inches, and there are 3 parallel shelves as shown above. 3 parallel shelves as shown above. What is the maximum height in inches of a shampoo bottle that can be stayed upright? Now we need to find this. See, it is given that this is 2x, this is 3x, and this is x, right? So what we need to find? We need to find the height of this bottle. This is 18. It means that this can be divided into 2:3:1 ratio, right? So it means that this is 2, this is 3 out of 6. So 3 out of 6 of 18, that is half of 18. So that is 9 inches. So the right answer is 9. Let us go to question number 17. What is the cosine of y? Sine of x is 0.6. Sine of x is 0.6. Just recall this property that if x plus y is equals to 90 degrees, then sine of x is equals to cos of y. So cos of y over here will be simply what is sine x, that is 0.6. But if you want to do it some other way, or if you want to understand the concept, just recall what is cos of y. Cos of y is base or hypotenuse. So if I write this as a, b and c, sine of x is opposite, that is opposite of x degrees, ab over ac. And what is cos of y? It is also ab over ac, because it is adjacent to angle y is ab, so ab over ac. So we observe that both of sine x and cos y are same. What is the real value of x that satisfy the system above, which is true? See what we do over here, we simply factorize, we take x square common from the 2, we get x minus 5, plus 2 common from the 2, we get x minus 5 equals to 0. It implies x minus 5 and x square plus 2 is equal to 0. It implies x equal to 5, because x square cannot be minus 2, so this is the only answer. So let us do question number 19. Here what we need to find is, we need to find what is x. What is x means we have to eliminate y. So just multiply this by 3 and this by -4. So we get minus 9x plus 12y is equal to 60, and minus 24x minus 12y is equal to minus 60. So when I add the two, what happens? Just multiplying this by 3 and minus 4, we get 12 and minus 12 and 60 and minus 60. It means this will 0, this will become 0, and we get minus 33x. It implies x becomes equals to 0, so answer is 0. The mesosphere of the layer of the Earth's atmosphere between 50 and 85. Mesosphere is between 50 and 85. So this is mesosphere is between 50 kilometers and 85 kilometers. At a distance of 50 kilometers from their surface, the temperature in the mesosphere is minus 5 degrees. So here it is minus 5 degrees Celsius. Here the temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius. And at a distance of 80 kilometers, it is minus 80 degrees. It is minus 80 degrees Celsius. Right? At a distance of 80 kilometers, okay, 80 kilometers, not 85. At a distance of 80 kilometers, it is minus 80. Right? Though the layer of mesosphere is still 85 kilometers, but the distance at the distance of 80 kilometers, that is a little below the upper limit, we have negative 80 degrees. So for every 10 additional 10 kilometers from their surface, the temperature in the mesosphere decreases by k degrees Celsius. So it is decreasing by from 50 degrees to 80 degrees. For 80 kilometers, it is 75 degrees is 75 degrees. So for 30 kilometers, degrees is 75 degrees. So for 10 kilometers, dividing by 3, it will be 25. So the answer is k equals to 25. So my dear students, this is how we do this paper. Thank you so much for watching it. Bye. So thank you so much, dear friends, for watching my video. Do like it, share it, and subscribe it. Bye-bye.